Cinemalaya here at Shangrila. And cast your vote for Cinemalaya here at Shangrila. That film festival that normally happens here in Manila. They'll have showings all throughout the month of October. So let's take a look. Let's check out what they have showing. Cinemalaya Layag. It's gonna be running here at Shangri-La from October 3 to 12. 2025. There's gonna be a bunch of indie films showing. Let's look for a schedule. Here's the schedule for Sunday. Oh, they have special schedules for every day. They also have it happening at Ayala Mall's Manila Bay, Market, UP Town Center, Ayala Mall Circuit, and Gateway. Okay, so to see the full schedule, you have to scan the QR code and it'll lead you to a website, I guess. Cinemalaya 21 schedule, yeah, there you go. But they have them here, so scan them now. Yeah, that's October 6th. That's October 7. This is for all cinemas, so mostly in Shangri-La and Gateway, and a few in Ayala, Manila Bay. That's October 8th. Circuit and UP Town Center. October 9. That's a lot of different films, by the way. You're gonna have to check the website for the full catalog. October 10. October 11. And October 12 is awards night. And cast your vote for the Audience Choice Award. We might need to go to Gateway. Check that out. I know I've seen the Manila Bay one. Is that or no? Cold as the ocean runs deep. Oh, is this a claymation? Sentence from the office key. Okay. Something like the lotto or something. place is packed, but I think it's first few days, first weekend definitely. It's gonna be super packed. Cinemalaya, yay! Indie film, Philippine film.
Hey! You made it to the end of the video. If you liked the video, hit that like button. If you enjoy similar content, consider subscribing to the channel. If you want to help us make more stuff, share the video with your friends and circles. Consider checking out our other channels. We have dedicated channels for hobbies, games, and other stuff. And I'll see you in the next video. OC Mallrat out.